Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and I am here in Warrington in the UK. You can find me on Instagram, you can find me on Facebook, and I also have a Facebook group where we share all our crochet and knitting projects. It's called Linda's Crochet Nook. All the information is in my about page or the description box below. Today we are here for May's sock yarn giveaway, and this goes on for a week. So today's the 8th of May. It closes on the 15th of May, and then I announce the winner on the 19th of May. So what do you get in the sock giveaway? You get a 9-inch 2.5 circular needle, and these are Knit Pro Zing. You get 10 light bulb stitch markers, which I use in my socks all the time. And then for the yarn, you've got Style Crafts Head Over Heels All Stars, and this is how it knits up. And this is 75% superwash wool, 25% nylon. There's approximately 400 meters for 437 yards, and the colour is Aussie. So it's very nice and squishy. You've got all the different colours. You can see the pinks and the blue. Well, it's more like a corally pink, and the different shades of blues and creams. So the word that I want for you to use is Stylecraft. Use the word Stylecraft in your comment. All the rules and regulations are in the description box below. You need to be a subscriber. You need to be 18 years and over. You need to leave a comment with obviously the word Stylecraft. And I'm responsible for posting this prize out to you, but you are responsible for any customs tax at your end. As I said, everything will be in the description box below. It is worldwide, guys, so wherever you are in the world, you are free to enter. And yeah, I think that's it. So don't forget, I need the word Stylecraft. Nearly forgot then. Stylecraft. You must be a subscriber of my channel, and you must make sure that I can see that you are a subscriber of my channel. If I don't, then I have to pick somebody else. It's only fair, because these giveaways are for my subscribers who have been with me, all the new subscribers and all the long-standing. So just a little way for me to say thank you for being here, watching my videos, thumbs up and everything. And that's all from me for today, guys. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, as I always say, be kind to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.